This is assignment 5.5. In this video I am going to solve the maths from this assignment, but before that you have to watch the previous video, in which video you will get the information about simple interest. How can you find the interest using the formula when the principal's rate of interest and time is given. So you have to watch that video. First of all, you have to understand the topic and then you will watch this video and complete this assignment. First questions are MCQ type question, that is you have to choose the correct option. Ramesh borrowed 7,000 rupees from a bank for 1 year at the rate of 10% per annum. The interest to be paid after 1 year is. Here you have to find the information. So Ramesh borrowed this much amount. So this is the principal from a bank for 1 year. So this will be the time at the rate of 10% per annum. So the rate of interest is 10%. So first of all you have to write the information which is given in the question like this format. In this format you have to write the information what is given in the question. Here the principal is 7,000, time is 1 year, rate of interest is 10%. You have to find the interest here. So the formula to find the interest is PRT by 100. So here all the information, all the values of P, R and T is given. So here you just need to put the value of P, R and T. The value of P is 7,000. The value of R is here 10 and the value of T is 1 divided by 100, that is. Now you have to find the value. You have to simplify this value. That is you can cancel this 0. So 700 once is 700. So the interest is 700. So this will be the correct option. Next question. A man borrowed 8,000 rupees from a bank at 8% per annum. The amount he has to pay after this much years. So this will be the time, this will be the principal and this is the rate of interest. You have to find the amount. So how much amount he need to pay to clear his borrow. How much amount he need to pay to clear his borrow. তার borrowটা clear করার জন্য তাকে কত amount pay করতে হবে, that is you have to find out. So here all the information is given. So first of all you have to write the information here. Principal is 8,000, time is this much, rate of interest 8%, interest. So first you need to find the interest, and if you will add the principal with interest, then you can get the amount. You know that amount equal to principal plus interest. So interest is PRT by 100. So here the value of P is 8,000, the value of R is 8 and time is 4 whole 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 2 years. So 8,000 into 8, the value of T is 9 by 2 into 100. So you can cancel 0. 2 4s are 8. So 4 9s are 36. 36 multiplied by 8 gives 288. So 36 multiplied by 8 gives 288. This 0. So this is the interest. You have to find the amount. Amount is principal plus interest. So the principal is 8,000 and interest is 2,880. So this will be 10,880 rupees. This is the amount here. 10,880 rupees. So this will be the correct answer. And question number 3, you need to solve this. You have to try to solve this by yourself. Here all information is given, principal, rate of interest, and time is in months. So remember this, when the time will be in months or day, always you have to convert the time in years. You have to convert the time in years. How much did she pay? So that means you have to find the amount here. Okay, so you will try to solve this by yourself. Question number 2 is also same as question number 1, 2. Here principal, time and rate of interest are given. You have to find the amount. That is, first of all you have to find the interest and then you have to add the principal with interest to get the answer. Question number 3. Find the interest on this much for a period of 4 years at the rate of 9% per annum. Also find the amount to be paid at the end of the period. So here the principal is 25,000, time is 4 years, rate of interest is 9%. Find the amount. You have to find the amount here. That means first of all you have to find the interest and then you have to add the interest with the principal to get the amount, because you know that in your previous class I have taught you that the amount equal to interest plus principal. So in this question, first of all you have to find the interest and then you have to add the interest with the principal to get the amount. I hope this question you can solve this by yourself. Next, question number 4 and 5. These two questions is exactly same types of questions. So between these two questions, I will just solve one question and you have to solve the another question by yourself. This question is more complicated than this maths, that is question number 4. That's why I have solved this question. Ravi borrowed 2000 rupees at 2% per annum and 1000 rupees. Question number 4 টা আমি একটু বলে দিচ্ছি. Rakesh lent out 8000 for 5 years at 15% per annum and borrowed this much rupees for 3 years at 12% per annum. Did he gain or loss? So lent out, that means Rakesh এই টাকাটা জমা রাখছে 8000 rupees 5 years এর জন্য 15% per annum ইন্টারেস্টে এই টাকাটা জমা রাখছে. তাহলে দেখতে হবে যে ইন্টারেস্ট কত পাচ্ছে. And then he borrowed this much rupees for 3 years at 12% per annum. So in the first case you have to find the interest, and in the second case you have to also find the interest. Then you have to find out did he gain or loss. সে gain করছে নাকি loss করছে. Okay, যদি first case সে interest বেশি পায় then he will gain, and in the first case if we get more amount, less amount, then he will loss. Next, question number 5. Ravi borrowed 2000 rupees at 2% per annum, 1000 rupees at 5% per annum. So in the two steps he will borrow. In the first way he will borrow 2000 rupees at 2% per annum, and in the second way he will borrow 1000 rupees at 5% per annum. He cleared his debit after 2 years by giving 2800 under watch. What is the cost of the watch? So when he will clear his debit, when he will clear his borrow, then he will give this much amount and also a watch. So সে টাকাটা শোধ করার জন্য কিছু অ্যামাউন্ট ক্যাশে দিচ্ছে আর একটা তার ওয়াচ দিয়ে দিচ্ছে. So what will be the cost of the watch? First of all, you have to find out for clear his debit how much amount you have to pay. Ravi had to pay. So the debit clear করার জন্য তাকে কত amount pay করতে হচ্ছে. So first in the first case Principal is 2000 rupees, rate of interest 2%, time is 2 years. You have to find the interest. So PRT by 100. So the principal is 2000, rate of interest is 2 and time is 2 and by 100. 0 can be cancelled. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 80 rupees. This is the interest here. So in the first case, amount will be 2000 plus 80, that is 2080 rupees. Next, in the second case, principal is 1000, rate of interest is 5%, time is 2 years. Here you have to find the interest. Interest, how can you find the interest? PRT by 100, the same formula. Principal 1000, rate of interest 5 times 2 by 100, 0 can be cancelled. 5 to the 10, 10 tens are 100, this much rupees. So in the second case, the amount will be, in the second case, principal is 1000 and interest is 100. So this will be 1000 plus 100. So 1100, that is 100. So in the first case amount is 2080 rupees. In the second case, amount is 1100 rupees. So total amount 2080 plus 1100. So this will be 2180. So what will be the cost of the watch? 2180. Sorry, if you will add this to value, you will get 3180. So, but she pay korche cash 2800. So what will be the cost of the watch? 3180 minus 2800. So এই টাকাটা তাকে পুরো পে করতে হতো, বাট সে এই টাকাটা পে করছে, সঙ্গে একটা ওয়াচ পে করছে। সো হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য কস্ট অফ দ্য ওয়াচ? 3180 minus 2800. So this will be 380 rupees. So this will be the cost of the watch. Next, question number 7. Question number 6, you have to sort this by yourself. This is same as question number 5, but I have told you that question number 4 is same as question number 5. That is not correct. By mistake, I have told you that question number 5 and 6 are same type of question. So you can solve this question number 6 and you can also solve this question number 4 because this is not complicated. This is actually easy question. So you can solve this question by yourself. I hope so that. So question number 7, Mr. Garg lent 15,000 to his friend. He charged the interest at 15% per annum on 12,500 rupees and 18% on the rest. How much interest did he earn in 3 years? So totally he will lend 15,000. He charged the interest at 15% per annum for this much rupees, and the rest for the containing rupees he will charge 18%. So how much interest did he earn in 3 years? So first of all, you have to find the interest for this amount for 3 years, and you have to find the interest on the remaining amount, but paying 18% interest. Okay, so in the first case, principal this much, rate of interest 15%, time 3 years. You have to find the interest. Interest is PRT by 100. So the value of P is 12,500. 15 time is T by 100. 0 can be cancelled here. So if you will multiply this 3 quantity, 125, 15 and 3, you will get 5725 rupees. This will be the interest for the principal this much. And in the second case, what will be the principal? So 15,000 minus 12,500. So this will be 2500. This much will be the principal. Time is this. Rate of interest is 18%. You have to find the interest. P R T by 100. 0 can be cancelled. So 25 3s are 75 multiplied by 8 gives 1350. So you have to find the total interest. So total interest will be, you have to add this interest. Total interest 5725 plus 1350. 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 7 10, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7, 7075 rupees. Here will be a silly mistake, that is, if you will multiply this 3 value 125, 15 and 3, you will get 5625, 5625. So if you will 5625 and 1350, then you will get 6975. So everyone correct these mistakes. Okay. Next question number 8. Sixa deposited 2000 rupees in a bank which pays 6% simple interest. She withdrew 700 at the end of the first year. What will be her balance after 3 years? What will be our balance after 3 years? So first of all, you have to find the interest for the first year. So for the first year, principal is 2000 rupees, time is 1 year, rate of interest is 6%. You have to find the interest. Interest will be P/T by 100. 2000 6 1 by 100. So 0 can be cancelled. 2 6 are 12. 120 rupees. This will be the interest. Now you have to find the interest for the last 2 years. Principal. So after the first year, she will withdraw 700 rupees. So for finding the interest for the last 2 years, the principal will be 2000 minus 700, that is 1300. Time is 2 years. Rate of interest is 6%. You have to find the interest here. Interest will be P/T by 100. Here the principal is 1300. Rate of interest is 6. Time is 2 by 100. 0 can be cancelled. So 13 2 is 26, 26 6 156 rupees. So what will be our balance after 3 years? The balance will be, so first 2000 rupees, this is the principal, and here the interest is 120 and here the interest is 156. So if you will add these values, you will get 2276. Sorry, here the principal is 2000 because she withdrew 700. So you have to put here 1300. So the answer will be 1576. So the answer will be 1576. 1576 rupees. ওকে, এখানে যেহেতু আমাদের 700 রুপিস সে তুলে নিচ্ছে, তার জন্য আমাদের প্রিন্সিপালটা 1300 রাখতে হবে। Question number 9. What principal will amount to this much in 2 years at the simple interest of 2% per annum? So here this is in the question, the principal is not given and amount is given. This is 20,800 to 20,800 in 2 years. So here you have to assume the principal. Let the principal be P. Time is 2 years. Rate of interest 2% interest. So interest will be P/T by 100. Rate of interest is 2. Time is 2 by 100. So this will be 4P by 100. So amount is interest plus principal, that is 4P plus 100 by P. So if we will add this value, the 100 will be the LCM 4P plus 100p, that is 104p by 100. Okay, so this will be the amount, but in the question the amount is 20,800. So you have to find the value of p. So if you will shift this value 104 by 100, so if we will shift this value from left to right, left থেকে আমরা যদি right এ যদি shift করি, this will be 100 by 104. Okay, so 4 2 is 8, 4 6 is 12, 4 25 is so 26 8 is 208, so this will be 8 25 is 200, so 20,000. This will be the principal, 20,000. So this will be the principal, 20,000. Next, question number 10. You have this much in your account. The interest rate is 5%. After how many years would you earn 240 as interest? So here you have to find the time. The principal is this, rate of interest is this, time. So the formula time is 100i by PR. So 100, interest is 240, principal is 2400, and rate of interest is 5. 0 can be cancelled. So 24, 5 to the 10. So 2 years. In 2 years, the time answer will be 2 years. So I hope all of you can understand this question. So in this assignment, I have left some few questions. So you have to solve all the questions from this assignment. But if you cannot solve any questions from this assignment, you will ask me.